Promptimize AI versus AIPRM for ChatGPT. In this video, I will show you a full comparison of Promptimize AI and AIPRM for ChatGPT. We'll look at what they do, how to access them, and the pros and cons of each AI prompts generator so you'll know which one fits your needs. So the first thing you need to do is go visit the websites. For Promptimize AI, just have to go to promptimizeai.com. For AIPRM, all you have to do is to go to AIPRM.com. Make sure that you have an account for both prompts generator. So both Promptimize AI and AIPRM are designed to make ChatGPT more powerful by helping you create better prompts. So Promptimize AI focuses on testing and refining your prompts for maximum accuracy, while AIPRM gives you ready-made prompts and templates created by other users. Promptimize AI has a clean dashboard like this. This is where you can compare different prompts, optimize your wordings, and even save templates for future use. ARPRM, on the other hand, integrates directly into ChatGPT. It offers a library of community-driven prompts templates for marketing, SEO, writing, coding, and more. So instead of starting from scratch, you can just pick a template and start generating contents. It has a massive library of ready-made prompts and works directly inside ChatGPT. So there's no extra setup that is needed. It is great for beginners or anyone short on time. However, it is less customizable compared to Promptimize AI, and the quality of prompts depends on the community itself, because it is made by the users within the community. For Promptimize AI, it lets you experiment with multiple prompt styles, and it is great for testing and refining the prompts that you have made. It is also useful for developers and advanced users. But some advanced features are paid features. It needs your credits, like this one, that you are going to purchase, and is limited in integration compared to AIPRM. So if you're a beginner or need quick results, AIPRM is the best choice. But if you want control and like experimenting with prompts, Promptimize AI is the way to go. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments below.